In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a job application tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clear system you can rely on during your job search, whether you want a comprehensive setup, a minimalist view, or an advanced template with interview prep and networking built in. Let's start with the official job application tracker. This template is a great foundation because it includes dedicated space for company research and interview notes. When you open it, you'll see a database of applications and related pages you can open for each role. Use those pages to capture what matters before you apply. The company's mission and products, the team's focus, and why the role fits your skills. Add links to the job posting and any relevant portfolios and jot down deadlines so you never miss them. The interview notes section keeps your preparation in one place. Capture the job description keywords, prepare a few concise star stories, and write down thoughtful questions for the interviewer. After each conversation, record what went well, what to improve, and any follow-ups. Over time, this turns into a living record that helps you spot patterns and refine your strategy. If you prefer something streamlined, go with a simple tracker. Keep only the fields you absolutely use. Company, role, status, application date, next step, and a link to the posting. That's it. The simplicity reduces friction, which is perfect when you are applying to many roles quickly. You can add a view that filters to only interviewing or follow-up, so your focus stays on what needs action today. If you are tempted to add more fields, resist until you feel real friction. Minimalist trackers shine when they're fast and consistent. For power users, explore advanced trackers in the Notion template gallery. Look for templates that bundle an interview preparation hub, where you can store practice questions, craft tailored answers, and track prep sessions by company. Many also include a networking or contact management database, so you can log conversations, referrals, and reminders to check in. The best templates let you link your applications to contacts and prep notes, giving you a full picture from initial outreach to offer. Before you commit, skim the template's demo pages to be sure it matches your workflow. Then customize field names to your terminology, so you'll actually use it. Choose the option that fits your style today. And remember, you can always expand later. The goal is a tracker that keeps you organized, confident, and ready to act. Thanks for watching.